Looking for cutting-edge tools to upgrade your projects and boost your skills? At Tools Tech, we bring you the latest innovations and expertly chosen selections tailored to your needs.
Cada electricista ha estado ahí, cortando los cables neutro y de fase al mismo tiempo. Es algo arriesgado, pero este pelacables inteligente cambia las reglas del juego. Detecta cables con corriente. Si se acerca a uno, la luz verde se enciende. Toca un núcleo de cobre con corriente y suena una alarma. Esta herramienta hace que cortar cables sea más seguro y ofrece una experiencia de pelado sin igual. Créeme, vas a querer tener esto en tu equipo. Haz clic en el enlace de abajo y consíguelo por $19.9 durante la oferta. Ya se agotó una vez, así que no esperes. Agrégalo a tu caja de herramientas ahora.
Right lads, here's a quick video on the brand new Mafl P2 battery jigsaw. So as you can see, it's a Mafl machine, so it's on the CAS battery system. You've got your variable speed back here. Your toolless blade change is just here. And if you're familiar with the P1 jigsaw, that fella just there in the background, you'll be very familiar with this fella. They're available in store and online now.
Or did you polish it now? Okay.
Oh, I turned it off because everybody knows how to polish. I'm just doing the dispensing. So that's 3 seconds. I can set this board at any kind of time you want. Right now it's 3 seconds because that right there.
hear the air coming out? Sealed up. And as soon as it goes down, it seals it. And again, this is what it looks like that's in there. That seals it. It will not freeze. Well, it freezes -50, so don't have to worry about that. And that's what it looks like. Sweet.
Every electrician has been there, cutting neutral and hot wires at the same time. It's risky business. But this smart wire stripper changes the game. It detects live wires. If it gets close to one, the green light pops on. Touch a live copper core, and it sounds an alarm. This tool makes cutting wires safer and offers an unmatched wire stripping experience. Trust me, you'll want this in your kit. Hit the link below and grab it for $19.9 during the sale. It's already sold out once, so don't wait. Add it to your toolbox now.
I know I've showed this on the channel before, probably a couple of times, but this little Ryobi USB power cutter is just so easy to use and so handy to have. These are those blister packs, especially the Milwaukee ones. They are really, really rigid around the edges. A pain in the tail to get into. And this thing, so you have a safety switch right here. Push the button, power on. And it just cuts right through. It's only 50 bucks, comes with the battery, and you can charge it with a USB Type-C charger right there. And you can see you can also push the button to check whether it's charged or not. This is only 50 bucks for the tool and the battery and the charging cable. Great for Christmas.
Right lads, here's a quick look at the brand new DCF 870 DEWALT's first hydraulic impact driver. So it's a lot quieter than your standard one. You have 9 LEDs on the front. Nice compact 100mm size. So when you're driving, it's nice and quiet. Right lads, here's a quick video on the new Festool ETSC2 battery sander. So it's running on your traditional 18-volt batteries. And as you can see, it's a battery version of your ETSC. Now these fellas are coming to us next February. What makes them very different to any other sander is you have an LED ring built in. 3 modes, bright, medium and off. Flick it around the back here, it will take any battery up to your 8 amp. Your variable speed is here, 6 speeds is normal. That's your power on and off for your light. Dust bag, obviously works really well with a dust extractor or with your dust bag, on and off. They're available next year, so if you want to take a pre-order, get in touch.